So first things first, you want to make sure your face is washed. So I cleansed my face with the Clinique. I have to read it all the time. Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. I should have this memorized by now since I've been using this for like more than 6 months. Do is grab your mixing bowl. Then you have your Indian clay mask here. And this thing was open. Your organic apple cider vinegar. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, show you guys how I do it. So, pretty much. So next thing that you're gonna go ahead and do is take your plastic spoon and scoop a spoonful of the powder and mix it into your mixing bowl. So grab the apple cider vinegar and just add like a teaspoon of this. So you want to do 1:1 ratio. So mask in here, or the clay and cider here, and then you're just gonna just enough to cover it. So it's gonna sizzle a little bit, and that's when you're just going to. And just mix away. Alright, once it's all mixed up, then you can go ahead and apply it to your face. Definitely want to get your hair out of the way. So I'm going to use my headband here just to make sure that my hair is not in the way. Like that harsh smell to it, and you'll get used to it. I'm going to use a foundation brush to apply just because with my fingers it gets a little messy, so I'm just going to apply it. So this is how it looks like. You guys can see that. It's like kind of gooey. So I'm done applying my mask, and I still have a ton of mask left. If you do have more left, you can apply it on your neck and your décolleté area, and it works very well. But I recommend you doing that at nighttime because it gets really messy if you do it during the day. I normally don't do the mask during the day, but because my lighting situation sucks, I wanted to show you guys like in natural lighting how I mix everything and how I apply my mask. So I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. I'm gonna do like some light cleaning and then I'll be back. Spread this here, everywhere on my face right now, but that will subside. Area too, you know, can't miss the neck area, even though I didn't apply it on my neck. So I've applied my lotion already, my moisturizing lotion, because your skin will definitely dry out once you rinse out the mask off of your face. Use the Clinique moisturizing lotion here. If you do intend to use this mask, use it about twice a week, or at least once a week. At first I started using it once a week, and then after I started getting the hang of it, the second month I started using it twice a week. So this is now in my skincare regimen. I definitely recommend it. You can purchase this clay on Amazon. I purchased mine at my local grocery store at Lazy Acres. It's like a Whole Foods and a Sprouts. And it cost me, how much did it cost me? Like $10. Really cheap, because you can do like more than 100 masks with this for sure. You just gotta buy the apple cider vinegar. And then you could purchase this at any local grocery store as well. You want to use the organic in a raw apple cider vinegar, just because it's free of any like parabens and preservatives. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.